Good afternoon, sir. Do you have a few minutes? I have a couple of questions about the English assignment.
Of course. Good afternoon. I'd be happy to help. What seems to be the problem?
Well, I've been going over the assignment for our English literature class, and I'm having some trouble understanding what exactly you expect. The theme analysis part is a bit unclear to me.
Ah, I see. So you're unsure about how to approach analyzing the theme of the story.
Yes, exactly. You mentioned in class that we need to analyze the theme, but I'm not sure if I should focus on summarizing the story first or dive straight into the theme. What's the best approach?
That's a good question. First off, a brief summary is fine, but it should only be a few sentences. The theme analysis should be the central part of your paper. The goal is to understand and explain the main idea the author is trying to convey. What do you think the author is trying to tell us with this story?
Okay. So it's more about the meaning behind the story than just telling what happens in it. That makes sense. But how do I figure out what the author's trying to say?
Great question. Start by looking at the main events in the story. What is the central conflict? How do the characters change or grow? What's the story's resolution? These elements usually point to the larger theme.
So if I look at how the characters develop and what happens in the story, I can find clues about the message the author is trying to send?
Exactly. For example, in a story about overcoming challenges, the author might use a character's struggles to show the importance of perseverance.
That's really helpful. I was also wondering, can I use direct quotes from the text to support my ideas?
Absolutely. Quotes are essential in literary analysis. They give credibility to your argument and help you back up your interpretations. Just make sure to explain the quote in your own words and show how it connects to the theme you're discussing.
So, for example, if I choose a quote where the character says something important, I can explain what it means and how it ties into the overall theme of the story.
Exactly. And remember, the key is to tie everything back to the theme. Each paragraph should focus on one point, and all your evidence should support that point.
I think I understand now. It's about interpreting the meaning behind the text and backing it up with examples from the story.
Exactly. And don't be afraid to offer your own perspective on the theme. Literary analysis isn't just about regurgitating facts. It's about sharing your unique interpretation of the text.
That makes it seem less intimidating. I've been focusing too much on getting everything exactly right, but I think I need to focus on what I think the story is saying, not just repeating what others have said.
Absolutely. Your perspective is valuable. This assignment is not just about showing you understand the material, but also about showing your ability to think critically about it.
I feel much more confident now. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly, sir.
You're very welcome. I'm glad it helped. Don't worry about perfection. Just focus on your analysis and how well you explain your thoughts.
I'll definitely do that. I feel like I have a much clearer direction now.
I'm sure you'll do great. Just remember to keep your ideas organized and take your time in developing them. If you need further help, don't hesitate to reach out.
Thanks again, sir. I really appreciate your time and patience.
No problem at all. I'm always happy to help. Best of luck with your assignment.
I'll give it my best shot. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.